Yes, sir! It is raining very hard. My father advised me that I should not go back to Wales and that I would perish. I might die, and it's dangerous if I go back to Wales because of how rainy it is. Not that rainy at the moment, to be honest with you. I've dealt with much worse before. But we'll see, you know. Maybe it'll get way worse and I'll die. And I'll document it, so it's fine. Dying is not that bad if you can film it. You know what I'm saying? And anyway, you know the age-old saying of the cameraman never dies, so I guess I'm fine. And oh boy, do I like being fine. That is pretty legit. See, I'm hoping, the reason I'm recording is because I'm hoping that I am gonna face like a near-death experience with this weather. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping to get absolutely drenched. I'm preparing for it. I've already mentally prepared to get drenched, so I might as well just get drenched. I've gone into this ride expecting to get absolutely slaughtered by the weather. So if I don't, I'm going to be a little bit disappointed. There we go. Merged successfully. All right, the rain's picking up a bit. See, oh no, man. I was told that that shit was going to be crazy. And right now, it was crazier on the way to work than it is going on the way back. It was way crazier. I was getting mauled by the rain. The droplets were hitting me, pushing me back, man. Almost fell off my bike. Man, they came to win, and they almost did, but they didn't quite win, okay? They didn't quite win. I've been wetter, okay? The rain ain't got shit on me, dude. I'm just gonna move over to the right so I don't get sprayed by this red roof Cornwall transport lorry. Yes, sir! The bridge is not closed, which we love to see. That's an enjoyable moment for me. Oh, that shit rhymed. That shit rhymed. And you know what they say about rhymes? If it rhymes, then it's true. This is nothing, dude. Why? There's no concern. It's just water. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. All right, slow down. Slow down. I can't wait until the DJI Mic 3 comes out, and I really fucking hope it's smaller. If they make it bigger, well, then there's no point. I really hope they make a special motorcycle DJI mic, because I think so many people would buy it. I would fucking buy it. And I know I'm not more than one person, but still. Who cares, man? I would buy it, and that should be enough reason for them to do it. Alright, do they value me as a customer? They better do. Alright, how wet we getting? Not too bad. No, as I said, I've been wetter. Much wetter. In the shower, shit gets crazy in there, dude. The water is literally continuous. It doesn't stop. But yeah, no, I was actually hoping for like some monsoon type shit. I was hoping to be fighting for my life with the amount of rain that was hitting me. But right now, like, it's hurting my neck, yeah, because it's like little mini bullets. It's like a BB gun, man. It's just fucking my neck up big time, but it's not like that bad, you know. So again, I'm disappointed. Weather disappointed me. We're gonna see how it gets when we get to the fucking bridge, though. Well, that's gonna be interesting to see how fucked up I get by the bridge, because I mean, it's just kind of up in the sky, up in the elements. Usually wind's fucked up there, rain gets a bit worse, so, you know, I'm still holding out hope. But the thing is, it's quite trafficy. The traffic is quite high. Oh, la, 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 la. Yeah, that guy could not turn. That was almost a bit of a bad moment. Okay, this looks fucked over here, not gonna lie. We're gonna see, though. Mate, this is not that bad. This is not that bad. I need to unlock the DLC that fucking makes the weather bad. Florida's got that. But of course, what is happening in Florida is absolutely fucked, man. I've been looking at so many videos of that, and that is fucked up, man. And people's lives are being absolutely ruined, but that doesn't mean you can't joke about it. You can joke about anything. Alright, so don't come for me. And anyway, the storms in Florida are just made by the government anyway. So, blame them, not me. But I feel like people are gonna get mad at me for that, dude. Because although you can joke about anything, and I can joke about anything I want, freedom of speech, man, I still care about what other people think about me, you know? In fact, my self-esteem is almost directly related to other people's opinions of me. So, you know, when I make decisions, I really do have to consider other people's feelings rather than my own, because I care, big time, man. Okay, so look, the wetness is coming in the back now. It's dripping down my back. And, oh, a gap. It's 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 a gap. Yes, sir! We got in the gap. But yeah, it is raining hard. It's just not like anything that I've not experienced before. In fact, it is pretty pathetic compared to shit that I've experienced. I've not experienced tornadoes. I've not experienced hurricanes, thank the Lords. Bless up to them. But, why is it going so slowly? But, I have experienced significantly worse rain than this. So, this ain't shit on me, dog. This ain't shit. Nuh-uh. But yeah, it is unpleasant though, for sure. It is really really unpleasant. I'd rather it be sunny and dry and bright and warm, but instead, yeah, it's a bit fucked. It is what it is though, man. It is what it is. Anyway, back here, Monmouthshire, yes sir. Very trafficy today, isn't it? That's why I can't wait to get a new job where hopefully I can work from home some of the times. Not all of the time. Oh, fuck me. That guy got me so wet, man, in the worst way possible. I hate it when truck drivers get me wet, dude. Fuck. I feel like with some cool color grading, I could make this look actually pretty sick. I mean, it's kind of atmospheric, I feel like. It's kind of a vibe, dude. It's kind of a vibe, yeah. But you know what's nice about having a fireplace is, look, the heating is great. I have underfloor heating in my house. I'm not trying to brag, but I have underfloor heating. Oh my god, it's raining a lot. So I have underfloor heating, but there's just something that hits different when you have a fireplace on and you're just by the fireplace just chilling, man. Oh yeah, hits really different. Hits so fucking different. Oh, I'm really wet, man. Jeez Louise. I'm gonna be lucky if this shit dries, man. Oh my gosh, this is wet. I need to put my phone in my bag because this is getting unreasonable. I know I was complaining about it not being wet enough earlier, but fuck, man. It's starting to kick up a little bit. I mean, it's not dangerous, like, in any way whatsoever, but at the same time, it's dangerous for my mental health. That's for sure. Please help me. Can I come in your car, sir? Or madam? I mean, you know, I don't mind which one. It's going to be flooded as hell by my house. I'm starting to not be able to see anything. Is that a problem? I have a pinlock visor, but the pinlock ain't pinning. So yeah, my phone has a hole in it, so that's why I really want to get it in my bag. Just so it doesn't, you know, break. Because you know how depressing it would be if I got home and my phone was broken. Oh, my dad said I should stay in Bristol, and now you know what? I probably should have. Smells pretty good, you know. I really do like the smell of petrol. You know, it's not even that wet. I can only feel a little bit of water dripping down my legs. That's not too bad. Geez, yeah, my friend, if you're ever thinking about getting into riding, do not do it in December or November or October. Only do it in summer, man. Otherwise you're going to be depressed and you're probably going to stop. Because this shit sucks, man. I'm going to get a car. I'm joking, I'm not going to get a car, but like if I had to choose right now, I'd be in a car. I know, man. I'll be fucking warm. I was talking shit about the rain earlier, man, and I'm getting fucked up for it. Dude, oh my god, these are really wet. I mean, I'm going to crank the fireplace up. And by cranking, I mean put lots of wood in it. So that it, you know, gets hot. Try and get up to around the 200 degree mark, 250. Just keep feeding it. Oh, I wish I overtook this guy. I wish I just went for it. But if I died, then I would have probably regretted it. Yeah, no, I would not have regretted it at all. This guy sucks, man. He's going so slowly. See, I can't see if there's puddles on the floor. I can't see anything. I can see there's a car in front of me. That's good. That's useful. But other than that, my friend, nah. Can't see nothing. Oh my gosh. I regret my decision to come to Wales, man. I regret it. But you know what? You live and then you learn. All right, this lane is going to be flooded to fuck. Yep, here we go. Here we go. It's begun. All the fun and games have begun. This is my first time riding through here when it's flooded. I've done it before on my other bike. First time on this bike though. So that's going to be cool and exciting. Oh yeah, that's just flooded. All right, let's do this. Let's do this thing. I don't actually want to destroy my bike, so we're going to go to chill through here. Oh my god. Nah. Oh my god, dude, you see this? It is, oh my god, it's deep. Oh my god, it's deep. That is really deep, dude. Oh my god, I might have made a mistake. It's almost coming up to my fucking pegs, man. I might have actually made a mistake. I hope the bike's okay. Okay, getting shallower. Oh my god, that was so deep. That was genuinely fucked. I didn't actually think it was gonna be that deep. What? Bro, it came up to the pegs. What the fuck? That was really deep. That was coming up to the fucking engine casing, dude. Oh my god. Oh, you know what? That's fine. Whatever. It is what it is, man. I have to put my visor up though because I can't see anything. You know what? The thing is, right, the only way I learn, I don't learn by being told ever. I just learn by doing and fucking up. And so, there you go. Now I know never to do this again when it's this rainy. I didn't actually think it could get that deep there. That's why I was not concerned. I didn't have a doubt in my mind that it was not going to be a problem for me to get through there. And it almost was a fucking problem. Oh my god. Sketchy, 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 sketchy. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. All right, slow down, slow down. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Jesus. Keep the engine going. You're good, you're good. I locked up my wheels going down that hill, both of them. Just for a second. Okay, this is not too bad. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go again, man. Here we go again. This is not going to be nearly as deep, though, so that's okay. Not going to be nearly as deep. Fucking hell, I hope not. I mean, if I look down, yeah. That's not too bad. That's an easy win. Oh my god. It's literally a river, dude. What the fuck? It's literally a river going down the side here. What? Oh, that is, oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. Okay. I've never, in my entire life, I've never experienced this much rain. I'm gonna just go ahead and say that one right now. Oh my god, the trees! Why are they growing so much faster in the rain or something? What's going on? Okay. Okie dokie. The thing is, that was a bad idea. Not the motorway part, the part in Wales. I was gonna say to him, I was gonna say to my dad, hey man, that wasn't even that bad, dude. What are you talking about? Oh man, oh my god. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down. Jesus. Oh my god, man. I'm not even paying attention. What the fuck? This is insanity. It's never been this rainy before. Bro, ABS is fucking saving me, dude. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my... This is insane. This is genuinely insane. What the fuck? Jesus, mate. My bike. My bike. Are you okay, sir? Are you okay? Jesus, man. Oh my god, that is leaking out of the radiator. That was the most crazy ride. Imagine if I forgot my house keys. I would end my life. I would just end it right there. I wouldn't even bother trying to get back. I would sleep on the floor. It's dry enough. I appreciate you doing this one with me. Hold on, I'm gonna take you inside, guys, inside my house. I'm gonna stay and buy it inside my house so you can actually see. Okay. So, I appreciate you watching that. That was insanity. I love you. We made it. And I'm gonna go and dry all of my stuff. Holy fuck, I'm gonna dry it really well. Anyway, I love you guys. Kisses and hugs. Like and subscribe if you like driving in floods as well.